Camera is refusing to focus. Productions presents. Welcome to ElectroReviews with me, Macintosh 666. So, here we go. A video of this particular machine. I need some light, because you can't even see what this is. Now my flashlight doesn't like me. This is what it is. The Powerbook 520C, good condition, almost mint condition actually. Few minor scuff marks and that sort of thing. You can see the screen is sort of like dirty. Oh, that's bright. Never gonna do that again. See that the screen is filled with scuff marks and all that kind of stuff. 520C. It's got stereo audio, which is nice. You've got your brightness and contrast. Your keyboard, which differs from the 180 keyboard because it's got function keys and the escapes all the way up there. It's got a touchpad. The 180 had a trackball. And it's got two batteries, both of which are dead. They are stone cold. They won't even take a charge. That, I believe, is a microphone. And as you can see, 520C. If you can read, that's what that says. Your Apple logo. Now, this particular machine has a 25 MHz 68 LCO40 processor. 12 megabytes of memory. It's supposed to have 36 because I installed RAM Doubler, but for some reason it doesn't want to load RAM Doubler now, so, well, oh well. I can probably fix that. It's full of dust. It hasn't been powered on in a while. A 240 megabyte hard drive, and if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that it has OS 7.55 on it. So, let's turn it on. Probably hear the very noisy hard drive. And here comes the screen. That's a passive display, so it's really, really annoying. Then I have to have the brightness contrast all the way up there in order for you to even be able to see this thing. So like you can see, it's loading. And it'll take a while. Oh, my camera's battery's running out already, if you would believe it. So it's actually not that fast. It's not that slow either. Come on. So, here it is. Okay, it doesn't let me. Macintosh Powerbook, System Software 755, and of course, Connectix RAM Doubler decided that it's not going to load, so it's still stuck at 12 megabytes. And it is taking up a lot of space. And let's see if I can figure out what's going on. Apparently, I don't even have RAM Doubler installed. That's odd. Now, it's got Retrospect, which is a backup. A couple of applications, not much. Just Netscape, HyperStudio, KidPix. A couple of things I will probably never use. So, FileMaker Pro on it. We'll just launch that and see what it does. FileMaker Pro 4.1. Cancel and quit. File and quit. Let's see. It's also got several games installed. It's probably got like billions of games, most of which I will never use. I better sort this way. Now, where's the game I wanted to play? It should be around here somewhere. Oh, Glider. Glider 4.06 demo. Whatever. Send it to 16 colors. Doesn't like my display. Let's start a new game. We just hit Command New. Or not. I think it just locked up. I think the machine just locked up. Never done that before. Okay. This is not good. Oh, what have we got going on here? I can still move the mouse, so the machine's obviously not locked. But it won't do anything. Okay. So we've got a problem. We'll unplug it and plug it. We'll have to unplug it and then plug it back in. As soon as possible so I don't lose any of the settings. Never done that before. Even my 180 hasn't done that before. Anyhow, I'm pretty sure that this is a modular computer on. Lost my contrast settings as well. What else could go wrong? Didn't lose my date and time. At least I don't think it did. I'm going to boot it without any extensions. So it boots up a little bit faster. The hell's that? Oh, it must be somebody with their bike, or it might be just an airplane. Sounds weird. Okay, it boots up a lot faster without any extensions. But for whatever reason, the machine locked up halfway during the game. It's never done that before. And I seem to have lost my control strip as well. Okay, my control strip is gone. This machine does not like me. Turn my contrast down so I can see what I'm doing. Try that again. And this time we'll do it from the... Yeah, well this time we'll do it from the games menu. New game. Yep, there we go. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm I'm doing filming this, so I'm not going to get like a very good time bonus if I get any of it. Fail! I do not want to get that clock thing because I know I'm going to lose if I try to. Wait for that to come by. Get me out of the way! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. That sucks. Get out of the way! Okay, I'm not doing that again. Oh, I hate this level because I have to... Hey, I won! Interesting. I've never done that level before. Okay, that sucks. Anyway, game over. Quit out of that. And my control strip is still gone. Okay. So is the launcher, but this computer is in a... Oh, no, the mouse doesn't like me. Oh, I think I'm finished with you. Oh, I'm definitely finished with you. I think that's enough because I'm sick and tired of this machine acting up on me. Okay, so I never got around to showing you some of the stuff I wanted to, but oh well. Shut down. There you go. Thanks for watching this video of the Macintosh Powerbook 520C.